डलहौजी का आज लास्ट डे है और हम जा रहे हैं डैनकुंड। जो माना जाता है यहाँ का सबसे हाईएस्ट पॉइंट है। Dalhousie, a quiet hill town in Himachal Pradesh, was once a summer retreat during the British era. From Gandhi Chowk, our journey begins. Pine forests stretch endlessly along the road, and with every turn, the mountains begin to unfold. Today, we are heading towards Dankund, the highest point in Dalhousie. But before we climb higher, we stop at Panchkula. Five natural streams emerge from these hills, eventually merging into the Ravi River. Panchkula isn't just a viewpoint, it's one of the main water sources sustaining the town. The sound of water here feels constant. As we drive towards Dankund, the elevation gradually rises, and so does the silence. The air gets thinner, the temperature drops, and the landscape begins to feel untouched. हवा काफी ठंडी है यहाँ।
यहाँ के लोकल्स इस जगह को सिंगिंग हिल भी कहते हैं वैसे।
Locals call it the Singing Hill. When strong winds pass through these open ridges, they create a low humming sound across the grasslands. The track is short and manageable, roughly 1 kilometer from the base, but the reward at the top feels far greater. And then the view opens.
यहाँ से दोनों तरफ का व्यू ओपन हो जाता है। क्लियर वेदर में यहाँ चंबा वैली और पीर पंजाल रेंज तक दिख जाती है।
From here, the Chamba Valley stretches out below, and on clear days, the Pir Panjal range also appears in the distance. At this altitude, the horizon feels almost infinite. And just a little further ahead stands the temple of Ma Pahlani Devi. At the summit, spirituality meets stillness. Many trekkers pause here, not only for rest, but for reflection. The wind carries the sound of temple bells across the hills. यहाँ शोर थोड़ा कम है. Up here, the noise of the world fades, and for a moment, everything feels lighter. Every climb eventually turns into a descent, but the perspective you gain at the top stays with you. As we drive back down, the same roads look different. The forests feel deeper, the valleys seem wider. Sometimes it's not the place that changes, it's the way you see it. Dalhousie slowly fades in the rearview mirror. Bags packed, engine starts, another journey awaits. Dankun may be the highest point here, but the real elevation happens quietly within. डलहौजी का सफ़र यही ख़त्म होता है, पर हमारा सफ़र अभी बाकी है और हम वादा करते हैं जहाँ भी जाएंगे हम साथ चलेंगे, क्योंकि ये सफ़र हमारा है।